And we're back, next video. Now we're gonna learn a new chord called the C chord, okay? And I think this is a natural progression. Here's our G, right? For our C chord, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our index finger, which before on the G wasn't doing anything, and we're gonna drop it down here to the first fret on the second string here. So we have our E and we have our B string. So it's gonna be on the B string and put it on the first fret right there, okay? So, should sound like that. Go ahead and strum that. Does yours sound like mine? And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna set this one out, that one comes off, and then we're gonna keep our middle finger and our ring finger in the exact same shape, except we're going to move them down a set of strings, like one string. So instead of being on the E and the A string up top here, these top two, we're gonna drop them down. So that they're on the next two strings. And then there's one little nuance to this chord. On the G chord, when we were playing G, we strum all 6 strings, like that. On the C, anchor my index, pick up my pinky, drop these guys down. We're actually only gonna strum the top 5 strings. Should sound like that. If you're like me, you're gonna hit that top E string sometimes. What I like to do is take my thumb and I kind of like wrap it around the neck and then I let it rest on top of this string. What I'm doing is I'm muting it. So if I hit it, it doesn't really make a whole lot of sound. It doesn't resonate. The next thing I want you to do is to practice going from your G and then transition to the C. Mess around, you got your G, you got your C, and like I said, that's a ton of different songs that are like that with different strumming patterns, picking patterns, whatever. All right, see you in the next one.